Hi there. This video is an introduction to Java where I'll be talking about some basics and how to get started as a Java developer. Java is a programming language developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems, which is now merged into Oracle Corporation. The first version of Java was released in 1995 as Java 1.0. Using Java, you can develop a variety of software applications, be it for web, desktop, or even mobile. The Java platform was created with the idea of write once, run anywhere. Meaning, once you write a program that runs on one platform, you do not have to recompile it for another platform. So, how does this work? As you see, a developer writes the code in the Java file and using the javac command compiles this code. The compiler generates the bytecode or the class file. This file runs on JVM and not on the operating system. This is how platform independence is achieved. So now as a developer, where do you start? You will need Java JDK, the Java Development Kit, which is freely available, and this is where you can download the JDK. As you see, the latest version is 7. You do not have to download JRE. JRE is simply Java runtime environment. It allows you to run Java applications, but it does not allow you to compile. The JDK comprises of both JRE and the compiler, so you need not worry about the JRE. After your download completes, you will have a file similar to this one over here. I had downloaded JDK 6 version, but I recommend you to download the latest version. Once you install JDK, you will see a folder structure like this. Here the bin or binary folder contains all the executables. Java for running the Java files, javac for compiling the code. Also, as you can see, there is a JRE included in the JDK. But if you check out the bin directory of JRE, it doesn't contain the javac, meaning it cannot compile code. After the JDK installation is complete, you need to add the Java bin directory to the system path. You can do that by changing the advanced system settings environment variables. If you see carefully, you can see a system variable called path, which we need to edit. We need to add the JDK bin inside this path, as I have done over here. But instead of hard coding the installation path of the JDK, what I have done is I have used another variable called Java home. But be careful that you need to have the bin directory pointed over here. The path actually tells your Windows operating system where the executables reside. Now let's see how I have added a new system variable called Java home. This variable should point to where your JDK is installed. This variable is also used for Tomcat and Maven, so I highly recommend you to have this variable in place and then reuse this variable in the path. You can now verify from the command prompt if the path has been set correctly, and I can see the bin folder of the JDK in the path, so all my Java commands should be recognized. Now I have written a basic Java class. It's a hello world program trying to print hello world in the console. So I have a main method, which is the starting point for the execution of the Java program, and the name of the class is test Java. So let's try and compile this class. Firstly, let us check again if it's there, and yes, I see the test java.java. Let us build the class file. If if you see, now we have the .class file prepared. Now let us try and run. We don't need any extension while running the class file, and there you have it. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.